Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your app problem. If your app is always crashing, like YouTube or other app always crashing, how you can just solve it in Honor Pad X8. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First go to settings and then swipe down, or you can search it. Just go to app section. Here it is. Go to apps and then you can see all your apps. Which app is not working, just go for it, like Chrome, and then go to storage and then clear cache this also, and clear manage storage. Like you can just swipe down and you can see Google Play, career services or any other. Just clear cache this, back. This is how you can just fix your crash problem and then restart your tab. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. Thanks for watching.